Hello my friends, and now it is my turn to welcome you into this machine learning series. My name is Adelin de Ponteves, and it is with me that you will be coding the machine learning models of this series, not only level 1, but also later on level 2 and level 3. And so our journey starts here. Right here on this page, containing all the code and datasets. We gave you the link to this page just before this tutorial, so make sure to start here with me on the same page, because this is your place of resource. Indeed, you can get the course slides in this link containing the downloadable slides. Then here you have the Colab notebooks, which is where we will be coding the machine learning models together. In other words, we will be using Google Colab, which is an amazing IDE where every library is already pre-installed, including XGBoost to build the XGBoost model or TensorFlow to build deep learning models. So we will have nothing to worry about and we can directly start coding. And that's the beauty of it. That's why I chose it. However, note that to use the Google Colab notebooks, you just need a Google account with, a Gmail address. And if you don't have one, that's totally fine. That's why we also give you the whole machine learning series level 1 codes and datasets containing indeed all the code templates in both IPYNB format and PY format so that you can code on your favorite IDE. And so now, because we're going to code on Google Colab, well, let me take you to the Colab notebooks by clicking this link. There we go. This will open the Google Drive folder containing the codes and datasets. And so we are in level 1 of the machine learning series. So let's go inside. And there you will find 3 folders: regression to predict a continuous numerical variable, then classification to predict categories, and then clustering to identify patterns or clusters. So that's the 3 case studies we'll be doing in level 1, and we will start with regression with the linear regression model. And so in this folder you will find the dataset and the model itself in IPYNB format, which you can open either with Google Collaboratory or Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so let's open this by double clicking on it, and this will open the notebook. However, because all the students of this course will access this notebook, of course it is in read-only mode, so that no one can make some modifications on it. And so what we'll do each time we build a model is we will create a copy of this notebook by clicking File here and then Save a Copy in Drive. And this will create a copy of this notebook in your Drive. I will show you where exactly, in which you will be able to make modifications because it will only belong to you. So you will be able to run it, recode it, as we will do together, or make some modification if you want to use it for your own data sets, for example. Okay? And so just to show you a bit how it works, let's, for example, run these first 2 cells. So I'm going to clear the output here, and let's see how to import the dataset, well, in this Google Colab notebook. So the first thing you always have to do is, of course, upload the dataset in your notebook session. And to do this, you click this folder here, and then you click this Upload to Session Storage button. All right? And now it will take you to your machine. So this is my machine. And then you will just go to where you downloaded the zip folder in the machine learning series page where we started our journey. And then inside, you're going to go to codes and datasets, then level 1, then regression. And then there you go. You're going to select and open the data for this case study. And this will upload your data here in the notebook. There we go. And so now, when we run this first code cell by clicking this run cell button here, well, the pandas library with this read_excel function will know where to get the dataset to indeed read it and import it in this new variable dataset. Okay? And then if we click this second cell here to run it, well, it will give you the 5 first rows of this dataset. But all this will be explained step by step. It was just to show you a bit how Google Colab works. And now to finish this tutorial, because I really want to show you the beauty of Google Colab, let's click File here to open a new notebook, and you will see that everything is already pre-installed. Indeed, if I want to import, for example, XGBoost, which is the library used to build the XGBoost model, well, you will see that if we run it, it will indeed import it. You see, this cell was executed successfully, and same for another one. If I import, for example, TensorFlow, well, it will also import it without telling us that we need to install it. And that's the beauty of it. Okay, great. And now, final thing, whenever you create a new copy or a new notebook in Google Colab, just know that it is created in your Colab notebooks folder, which you will find here among the main folders of your drive. Alright, that was a quick introduction to Google Colab, and now I look forward to seeing you in the practical activities, and until then, enjoy machine learning!